Rani Avantibai Lodi Raj, District Sioni. She was an Indian queen ruler and freedom fighter. And also she was queen of Ramgarh in Madhya Pradesh, an opponent of the British East India Company during the Indian Rebellion of 1857. In 21st century, she was being used as an icon in Lodi politics. She comes from the Lodi Raj community. Her father's name was Jujhar Singh. She was married to Princess Vikramaditya Singh Lodi, the son of Lakshman Singh and Sher Singh. In the 1851, Raj Lakshman Singh died. Raj Vikramaditya became king of Ramgarh. As a queen, she efficiently administered state affairs. As the guardian of the minor sons, the state power came to the queen. The queen ordered the farmers of the state not to obey the instruction of the British. Their reform was increased the popularity of the queen. Thank you.
This is Kshetra and Aishwarya of class 9. We wish you a heartful Raksha Bandhan to everyone. The meaning of Raksha Bandhan. The festival name is made up of two words, namely Raksha and Bandhan. As per the Sanskrit terminology, the occasion means the tie or knot of protection. Where Raksha stands for protection and Bandhan signifies the verb to tie. Together, the festival symbolizes the eternal love of brother-sister. Relationship which does not mean just the blood relationship. Only it is also celebrated among cousins, sisters and sister-in-law and others. The traditional festival of Raksha Bandhan. Rakhi dates back its origin about 6,000 years ago, during Aryans established first civilization. Due to diversity in many languages and cultures, the traditional customs and rituals to celebrate Rakhi festival differs from region to region across India. The bonding between a brother and a sister is simply unique and is beyond description in words. The relationship between siblings is extraordinary and is given importance in every part of the world. However, when it comes to India, the relationship becomes all the more important as there is a festival called Raksha Bandhan, dedicated for the siblings' love. This is a special Hindu festival which is celebrated in India and countries like Nepal to symbolize the love between a brother and a sister. This occasion of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day of the Hindu luni-solar calendar in the month of Shravana, which typically fall in the August month of Gregorian calendar. The festival is mainly celebrated by Hindus in the northern and western parts of India. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is observed as a symbol of duty between brothers and sisters. The occasion is meant to celebrate any type of brother-sister. It is said that the first knot of Rakhi is tied for the long life of the brother. The second knot is for the long life of the oneself. And the third knot is tied to protect the strong bond between brother and sister. There are many historical evidences exist in Indian history regarding celebration of Hindu festival of Raksha Bandhan. On past, for the protection of the Dharma on earth, Lord Krishna killed the devil king Shishupal. Lord Krishna was hurt in the war and left with bleeding finger. Seeing his bleeding finger, Draupadi has torn a strip of her saree and tied around his injured finger to stop the bleeding. Lord Krishna has value to her concern and affection. He felt bounded by her sisterly love and compassion. He pledged to repay the debt of gratitude in her future. After many years, Pandavas lost their wife Draupadi in the game of dice to croaked Kauravas. They had attempted to remove the saree of Draupadi. That was the time when Lord Krishna protected the dignity of Draupadi through his divine power. Thank you. Have a nice day.